Today we'll be covering how to clean out a Roomba. We suggest to attach the two cleaning brushes to the recharging station with magnets, so you don't lose them. This can be done by gluing the magnets to the brushes and to the station. By pressing the red button in the back, the dirt collector cartridge will pop out. Open the cartridge. This is where all the dirt is collected by the Roomba. Dump out this dirt. Take out the filter and clean it off. A clogged filter will impact the effectiveness of the machine. Put the filter back in and close the cartridge. Flip over the Roomba and open the frame containing the two brushes. Remove the bristle brush and take off the yellow cap on one end. Use a cylindrical cleaning brush to remove most of the dirt and hair, but more brushing will be required to remove all the dirt. And use your hands if required. Make sure to remove any hair or dirt from the axle, so that the brush can spin freely in this yellow cap. Take out the rubber brush and clean it with your hands. Again, make sure to remove any hair or dirt from the axle, so that the yellow cap can spin freely. Remove any stray dirt or hair from the frame, and replace the two brushes back to the original positions. Close the frame. The front wheel may be slightly jammed and won't spin correctly. This can be cleaned off by taking the wheel out and removing any hair that's caught along the axle. The axle pops out, so all the hair can be easily removed. Place the wheel back in and check that it can spin freely. Replace the wheel back in and replace the original dirt collector cartridge. Now your Roomba is all cleaned and ready to go.